hello everyone. Join me. I'm going to pick some of my calamansi. Come on. Mamitas tayo ng calamansi. I have this one here because you know, I buy myself. So ganito na lang. Oh my goodness. Dapat gupitin ko pero ayan, hindi ko pwedeng gamitin yung scissor at the same time na magpitas. Ayan. So, may mga paraan pa rin. Kasi ayaw kong tanggalin yung dulo niya. Ayan. Ayan mga loves, I show you. Marami po siyang bunga. Diba? Nakakatuwa? Nakakatuwa siya. Tinago ko siya noon sa loob ng bahay, nung winter. During winter, I keep it inside the house, staying in one of my bedroom. At ngayon naman, nilabas ko na. Now I bring it out here and enjoying this beautiful weather here. I only getting those yellows. And the rest, I will pick again next time. Some of them fell off. Ayan. Ang aking calamansi. Calamansi is live. Calamansi is live, mga lalab. Yan. Yummy, yummy on my tummy. Kung may tinanim, may aanihin. Diba? Yan. As I said, I only pick those yellows. Ayaw niyang magpakuha. Ayan. Come on, baby. So, I like those ones. Because I don't want them to drop. Ayaw kong mahulog sila. Katulad yun, madaling mahulog. Okay. That's all for today. It's enough for me to use. And here is still a lot. I love you all, mga lalabs. See you on the next video. I love you all, mga lalabs. Thank you for viewing. And see you on the next video.